Types of noun: common noun, dog, city, car. Proper noun: London, Toyota, Albert Einstein. Concrete noun: apple, table, mountain. Abstract noun: happiness, freedom, courage. Collective noun: team, flock, committee. Countable noun: book, chair, cat. Uncountable noun: water, sand, information.